Pancake. Did you cook on Easy Day? Well, hello there. Y'all, I got a story. So I actually have a new microphone. Lapel mic is hiding under my shirt. This was the third microphone I've had to buy. I thought I'd like upgrade and get like a fancier one, and each one never worked. So I just had to go back and get the one that I had originally. But it works, so that's a positive, I guess. Hey pals! Thanks for taking the time to tune in. Before we get started, I wanted to say that I asked a question on the community tab asking what day and time would be great. I gave you 4 options for a live beater box unboxing. It was pretty close between Sunday at 4 p.m. Eastern and Thursday at 10 p.m. Eastern, but we're gonna go with Thursday because I don't want to get in the way of anyone's weekend. So next Thursday, what day is that? Which would be August 15th, 2019 at 10 o'clock p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We will be unboxing a beater box from Sole Supremacy live right here on the YouTube. I don't remember how much, it's probably like 600 something, I guess. I remember the 2 boxes I got this weekend were like 600 or 500, so they're not gonna be crazy, but you're gonna wanna watch that one because there's gonna be details on how to enter for the 10,000 subscriber beater box giveaway. That's what you have to look forward to next Thursday. Live beater box unboxing. Gonna be fun. Today we have this beater box. This is also from Sole Supremacy. This is a nice even number. This is $700 plus the $40 to ship it here to Chicago, Illinois for a grand total of $740. Hey, these boxes are priced under market, so there's a really good chance to make some money. So you're gonna wanna follow along with Clarence. It'll be letting you know how much each shoe I pull out of this box is worth on the secondary marketplace, and then we'll break it down at the end to show you how much I paid versus the market value of the box to see how much money we might make. So let's open the box and see what's going on in here. Man, I don't know if you guys saw the boxes from last week, but both of the boxes I got were really, really good. So let's keep that train rolling. Ooh, sorry there, fizzy water. Looks like there's no loose shoes, so that's pretty good. Let's grab this Under Armour first. This is a size 8.5 Curry Low, so it's a Curry 1. Looks like some kind of black kind of colorway. Are these dead stock? Yeah, these are dead stock, so here you go. Some kind of Steph Curry 1. Don't really know. Not a huge fan of Steph Curry because I'm not from the Bay Area, and Under Armour just doesn't do much for me. Apparently these shoes are very, very good for playing the hoop sports. So if that's something you're interested in, maybe you're interested in these. It is a size 8.5. I don't really know how much kind of market there is on these, but there's your first shoe, a Curry 1 Low in a size 8.5. Good thing we started that off. Got a lot of orange Nike boxes in here. Oh, there's an SB box. So this first shoe is a Nike HYPERDUNK 2014 TB in a size 8.5. No, it isn't. This is a replacement box. This is a size 9.5. This is a Kobe 11. This is the CARPE DIEM colorway. But this is a worn pair. You can see a little bit of wear on the bottoms, a little bit of discoloration too. This is basically like a Lakers colorway, I guess you could say, with some black in it. But these are in really, really good shape. Just have a replacement box. It's a pretty solid 8 or 9 out of 10 condition. Not too bad. Let's give it a look. With most Kobe's, you'll see some kind of Lakers colorway on it. So there you go, size 9.5, Kobe 11, Carpe Diem, in a replacement box. Let's see, this is an Air Max UPTEMPO 95 in a size 11. Are these dead stock? Baby, baby, these are dead stock. This is the triple white Air Max UPTEMPO. These came out pretty recently, so the quality is pretty decent. I mean, it's a big old white shoe. What are you gonna do? It's a dead stock pair, it's size 11. I mean, this is good. I mean, what is the retail on these? Retail was $150. I'm sure the market's probably around or a little bit below that. So, I don't know. Pretty nice colorway, I guess, if you're into whole triple whites, which I am not. There you go. Air Max UPTEMPO in a triple white colorway. 2 out of 3 dead stock already. That's actually not too bad. Orange box. This is a size 11 HYPERDUNK Low 2017 Low New York City. This is probably those blue ones. Yes, it is. So this is actually a pretty slick colorway. These are dead stock too. Booyah. So this is the HYPERDUNK New York City Low from 2017, which is basically, I just repeated what was on the box to make myself look smarter. got the Nike kind of graffiti style. Big apple on the back of the left shoe, but it's got a gum outsole, blue upper throughout, white sock liner and a white insole with a blue swoosh. This is just a really slick colorway. I think this was a New York only release, but can't really complain about these. Probably a really good basketball shoe. Size 11 is pretty good too, and it's dead stock. Size 11, 2017 HYPERDUNK Low New York City release. Nice. Be out of BHM. Let's see, this is a size 11 Jordan 1 High Retro Nouveau Black History Month. I know exactly which ones these are. Nice, these are dead stock too. A lot of dead stock shoes in this box, that's a plus. So this is, as I said, this is the Air Jordan 1 Black History Month Nouveau edition. So it's got these like textured designs all around the ankle collar and on the swooshes. White midsole, white outsole. There's really like, I don't even know if it's leather, but this material on the upper, like you can see it's not stitched. Like it's one, toe box is one solid thing. It's a dead stock pair and it's size 11, and it's mostly a solid color, so you can't really go wrong with that. Size 11, Black History Month Nouveau Jordan 1s. Cool. Let's get this SB box out of the way here. So this is a size 11 Nike SB Air Force 2 Low. This is from the teal box era, so it's pretty recent. Oh, I think I know what these are. Yep, okay. Well, these are dead stock though, so that's awesome. So I want to say these released in 2017. This is the collaboration with Supreme on an Air Force 2 Low. This is the brown colorway. You can see the Supreme branding right there. On the hang tag too, it says, let me grab the other shoe. The heels say world famous. Air Force 2 Nike SB Supreme branding on the tongue. These made a little bit of a comeback once Supreme did this. That's the one thing Supreme is pretty good at, is taking a model that no one's ever heard of and kind of making it relevant again, like they did with the Gato. If anyone saw the dunks that are releasing, if those are the official images, not a fan, personally, not a fan. I'm not really a huge fan of this shoe, to be honest with you too. I may have liked the yellow colorway, but the brown is kind of eh. But still, dead stock condition, size 11, can't really go wrong. Air Force 2 Supreme collaboration, the dark brown colorway. Oh, there's a lot of dead stock shoes in here. So we got two more. This is LeBron James. Whoa, if I could hold on to it. It's a size 11 and a half. Air Max LeBron 7. This is a very, very iconic box series that LeBron had with the 7s. Okay, cool. So these are worn pretty lightly though. This is LeBron 7 Cavaliers colorway. This was around the time when the Cavs colors were that bluish and silver and gold kind of color. There wasn't the whole wine aspect to it. But it's in really good shape. You can see just a little bit of outsole discoloration from wear. Not really discoloration, it's just wear in general. But overall, pretty solid shape. Not much toe box creasing, which is kind of normal for LeBrons because the toe boxes on LeBrons are like steel toe boots. But these are in really nice shape. I really can't complain about that. Cool. With the original box too, size 11 and a half. If you're a size 11, this is probably a good size for you because LeBron's, I found you have to size up. That's just me. I don't know if it's everybody else's feet, but my feet are goofy, so LeBron's, you have to go a half size up. So there you go, size 11 and a half, LeBron 7 in the Cavaliers colorway. Cool, I like this box, this is fun. We got one more in here. It is a Jordan 1. It is in a size 11. Okay, this is a replacement box. Still a good shoe though. Wow, these are really lightly worn. They just need a solid cleanup. Cool. This is a size, is it size 11? Yes, size 11 of the Air Jordan 1 BRED toe. This was the first of a whole bunch of Jordan 1s that came out that were color blocked in a similar manner to the shattered backboard ones with the white side panel and the whatever the main color is on the vamp. Really, really nice shoe. Ooh, pancakes, ooh. You got something to say about the BRED toes? Tell me how you really feel. Anyways, this is in really solid shape. I mean, there's barely any toe box creasing, barely any creasing on the heel too. A little bit of insole wear. Still got the size sticker, and most of the Nike Air is in there, but yeah. Only thing, it doesn't have the cardboard inserts and it does not have the secondary laces, but this is a really good shoe. Jordan 1's made a huge comeback over the past couple of years, and why not? Because they're releasing colorways and quality that looks like this. So Jordan 1, BRED toe in a size 11 with a replacement box is the last shoe out of this $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. I am a fan of this box, but let's go ahead and give it a grade. All right, let's do the whole grade thing. There's 3 categories: condition, sizes, value. Let's do condition first. So there are 8 pairs of sneakers in this $700 Sole Supremacy beater box. and 5 of them are dead stock. Wow, that's more than half. That's really good. 2 of them have replacement boxes. Condition on this box, I gotta say A-. Sizes, we have 8.5, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11, 11.5, and 9.5. A lot of 11s, but they're models that a lot of size 11 people wear, including myself. Sizes are pretty good. Sizes on this box, we'll give it a B+. Value on this box. Obviously the value is gonna be a little bit higher because of the amount of dead stock shoes in here, but all of these are really, really easily movable shoes. Value on this box is pretty good. I gotta give it an A- as well. So with the grade of A- for condition, the grade of B+ for sizes, and the grade of A- for value, the $700 Sole Supremacy beater box gets a letter grade of A-. Wow. So I took a wild guess, gave this box an A-. That doesn't happen very often because I'm a doof. But hey, how's the money stuff of this whole thing looking? Let's see. I don't know if it's a good box, I don't know if it's a bad box, but it's definitely a fun box. If you're interested in any of these shoes, they will be on my website today at 6:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and that website is ransomnotesneakers.com. Remember to check out the live unboxing next Thursday, August 15th, 2019 at 10:00 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will be divulging information on the 10,000 subscriber beater box giveaway, so that should be pretty fun. Got another box to open, that'll be on Sunday. Got another haul series coming, whole bunch of fun stuff. Thank you for taking the time. I appreciate it. Remember to take care of each other, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.